Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix like your connection is not secured on the Google Chrome. You're facing the issue when you try to open the website. Now let's say like I open any of the website, like let's say this is the website, and when I try to open it you just see a pop-up like you are not able to open the website due to some security reasons, or you are facing some kind of error. So like how can you solve it? Step one is just click on these three lines on your Chrome browser, and from here just make sure to go to the end and find this option called settings. So click on settings, and once you're into the settings just make sure to find the option called security. As you can see on the left side, you can just find the option which is called privacy or security, privacy and security, or you can just search here like on the upper search bar, just search security, and you will see all the like information related to security. As you can see, like here's the security section, so you can just directly go into it, or you can just click on the left side, privacy and security, and from here you can just find the option which is called security and go to this option called security. And from here like the first option is safe browsing, just ignore it and scroll down, and here is an option called secure connection. Now this is the option which basically shows you a pop-up or a kind of security check, like a warning type that the website that you're trying to visit might contain some kind of like harmful stuff for your laptop or PC. So make sure to turn this option off. Like as you can see, like this is turned on and it might be turned on in your browser as well, so make sure to turn it off. And once it is turned off, you can just open the new tab and search again, or you might restart your Chrome browser once as well. And after that you can just go to any of the website, like whatever you want to open, like any of the website. Let's say I want to go to this website or any other website, and you try to open the website, so you won't be facing any kind of problem or any kind of security check or connection type error on your the Chrome browser. So that is all about how you can fix this issue.